chicken. And hello friends, welcome to Trident Fish. Today we have something special all the way from Madurai. This is what we are going to make today, Chettinadu Briyani, and this is an instant biryani kit. Before we make, let's see what's there in the kit. Come on, let's dive in.
In the pack, we have mixed spices, a ready-made masala and raw basmati rice. The recipe is very simple. You'll have to follow 3 steps to prepare Chetinadu Briyani. To begin with, let's add about 100 ml of sunflower oil and empty the mixed spices. Saute for a minute and add washed chicken pieces. Now add the ready-made masala mix and give it a gentle stir. Little careful while stirring or else chicken pieces may break. And wait until oil separates. Before you add water, measure the amount of rice using a cup and add an equal amount of water using the same cup. And finally, add an extra 100 ml water. The cup that I'm using is very small, so it's 3 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. Now add raw rice to this mixture and close the lid. And then wait until 2 whistles in the pressure cooker. Yahoo! Chetinadu Briyani is ready to be served. Before we wind up, let's taste it. The rice and chicken are nicely cooked. It looks delicious and the spices give an extra flavor.
Now I'm really excited to taste this biryani and see. Come on, let's taste it. I like it. The chicken is really nice, and even it's not bad, and it almost takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes to make this biryani. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel for a new video every week. Until then, see you, bye.